And what about the things that you mentioned in today's mastermind, that was
Uh-huh.
CTR and viral boosting.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
how important are these in markets? Is
Mhm.
it something that is deal breaker, or this can be avoided or not done but still get good rankings?
I think you can get okay rankings without viral boost and CTR manipulation type of stuff like that. But for the last, I don't know, 2 years, viral boost. I know all the people like getting the best results. They are viral boosting. You know, all of them is doing viral boost and
How do
everything.
one do viral boosting? Like,
So, yeah. Viral boost, the best is like, so the concept of viral boost is just if you have a lot of session going into one URL on Chrome browser, Google will think this URL is going viral, so it will push it up in rankings. So what happens is that generally you want to provoke as much as possible Chrome says session in one URL. To do that, you use like, what do you call that? Ads network. So ads network like pop ads or podcast or roller ads. And you will just have, you put your URL, you buy the cheapest traffic, you send as much as possible. And that's stuff that give you signals, It's something that is decreasing recently, but something that works super well, works crazy well if you do parasite SEO, for example, especially because you will not be
but are
scared
you
of.
sure these guys are coming from Google Chrome?
Yeah, because you can define ads network that you
Okay.
want only Google Chrome session.
And
And
does
I target IP as well. So I
Okay.
do like only French Google Chrome browser, for example, or only UK or Germany Google Chrome browser. And you get like a really filtered type of stuff that you can, will be only that, And after I get like 3K of them every day on the page, and you get a big boost in rankings.
Okay.